country should reduce total greenhouse gas, which is relatively high per capita. According to the data from the U.S. Energy Information Administration, the top emitters by fossil fuels in 2014 were China, 7,710 tons of carbon dioxide, U.S. second, India, Russia, and Japan. And the cumulative emissions between 2000 and 2014, the top emitters were U.S., China, Russia, Germany, UK, Japan, France, India, Canada, and Italy. In terms of trends, carbon dioxide emissions were around 5,000 metric tons in the year 2005 and gradually increased to around 6,000 metric tons with a peak upswing in 2014. The subsequent decline went on such that 2015 saw about 5,400 metric tons emitted. The nation wants to implement the Kyoto Protocol, an international treaty signed in 1997 in Kyoto, Japan, that would require nations to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions, claiming that ratifying the treaty would create economic setbacks in the U.S. and does not put enough pressure to limit emissions from developing nations.
So we would